So second package, if you're wondering what this is, it's my logo, Chez Kwetu. I just like having it on my working table. It's like a reminder of who I am and what I do. Okay, second order. Well, it was in the same order, but second package. This is from a different seller. Oh, I went all out, guys. Sometimes I just buy stuff blindly. And yeah, so these, what are they called? I don't know what they're called, but I think I know what they're supposed to do. Okay, so this is the color of the one let me see if I can bring this clear. Paint. I was just painting with them. Zoom in. Come on. Don't be mean. Anyway, I think it's supposed to be a green emerald. Oh, how does anyone zoom in? There we go. This is how it looks like. There we go. I think what I need to find out are the backing for these, but anyways, I got these. If I'm not mistaken, they're supposed to be like jewelries that you decorate your garment with. So for example, I think this is how it's supposed to work. You pinch it in like so. Maybe I shouldn't choose felt. And then you take the backing, which is one of these. I think maybe this is the backing. And then you pinch it in like so, and then the piece stays in on your fabric. So my goal is to decorate my pieces, my fabric with this. I would do a better what do you say, not tutorial, but like I'll do a better clip where I show you how it's supposed to be used. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure how it's supposed to be used, but I know what it's used for. Now I just need to figure out exactly how to use it. But let's put this aside. So I got the green and gold. I got this gold. This is bigger than the one we just saw now. My kids. See, this one is a little bit bigger than the green. There we go. Kind of like this size, but I also like the fact that I have different size to play with. And then this is silver. Just put them here so you can see. This is silver white, which I really like. I'm more of a silver person than a gold. But anyway, I got them in different size. So this is bigger than this, but this is still the same thing. It's just this is smaller. This is a big size. These two are the same size. Okay, so these two are the same size. And then I got a smaller version of this one. I think I got 3 different sizes. There we go. This is a smaller version, and this is the medium size of it. So I do have 2 different sizes. The other colorful one that I got is this. I don't know my colors, so I'm not gonna try, but it is colorful. It has like a green background on the tone. Can you guys see? There we go. Gorgeous. Anyways, so I got that. Yeah, my kids are kicking my table now. These are all the same, just in different colors and different sizes. There we go. And then I got the blue as well. Again, I don't care for this color. I don't know why I ordered it, but I did, and now I have it. We'll see what I do with it. Which this is smaller, as you can see, compared to and this is the backing for I didn't close this bag. There we go. This is the backing for the silver ones. I think I have another colorful one. Oh yeah, here is this champagne. Let's see. This is champagne, is it, or is it more like gold? It's gorgeous, huh? So yeah, there it is. This is another one that's colorful. I think I have one more that is color one. This one here. Oh, is this champagne? I don't know. One or the other is champagne. And here we go. This one, two. Come on. There we go. This is the color. I think it's gorgeous. I'm really happy. It comes in smaller bags like this. If ever I like it, I like the way it looks with what I want to do, I'll just order more. But it's always good to get smaller portion of the things that you're trying out, or just to see how it works, right? Because I have this idea in my head. How is it going to work in real life? I don't know, so I don't want to get a big stash of things that I'm probably not going to use again. So getting smaller batch like this is good for me, and I get to control my costs as well. So for this seller, if you also want to know the information of this seller, just comment down below and I will send that to you. Again, this haul is from Alibaba or AliExpress. As always, I was trying to make this video less than 10 minutes, but clearly not. So if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible, especially if you're asking about salaries, so you can get the information that you need. I'm in Canada, if you're also wondering. The shipping didn't take long. It took, I want to say, about 2, and if I'm going to push it, 3 weeks. So I'm really happy with it, but I don't need it now because it's going to be for my collection coming in January. But I'm happy to have it now so I can start trying my idea out and see how it works, and change course if needed and such. The other thing I also want to mention, last thing, is that I'm currently having a 50% off entire store, just because I want to make room for the new collection as well as for the winter stuff. And this year for winter, I'm only going to be making my Christmas ornament. This is going to be my 3rd year making my Christmas ornament. I always sell out. So if you would like to get some, I haven't decided on a date. I would have loved for it to be out and be done by the end of September, but unfortunately that's not going to happen. But I'm aiming for October, mid-October. So if you like to get your hands on them, sign up to my emailing list. You get 10% off, and you also will be notified once I launch, so you don't miss out. So anyways, thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for your support, and thank you for always being here. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and also like and help my channel grow. Thank you, and I'm out. Bye.